Welcome to the Thingamejig Scribing tool. Here at Thingamejig we promise you that the scribing tool will be your new best mate, saving you time and always getting you an accurate finish. Here is some basic information to help you understand how the scribing tool can make your life easier and your workmanship 5-star. When fitting the blades to your tool, simply unscrew the grub screw and place the blade onto the blade holder. When retightening the screw, ensure you don't over-tighten. This can be done by using the long point of the Allen key provided with the tool. The footpad cover simply clips on and off. Use this when the scribing tool is being slid along pre-finished surfaces like painted walls, preventing it from marking the surface. Due to its thickness, the footpad cover alters the measurement of the ruler on the shaft of the tool. You must compensate for this. There is a written reminder of what to do on the top side footpad. Here a laminated benchtop is being fitted to a wall. You will note the imperfections in the wall surface that the benchtop is being fitted to. The benchtop is placed in the desired position and the biggest gap between the benchtop and the wall is located, as this is the amount the tool will need to be set to. This can be done with a ruler or by placing the tool against the wall where the largest gap is. Rotate the tool shaft while holding the blade body still until the blade tip touches the edge of the benchtop. You'll note the footpad cover is fitted. In this instance, 4mm needs to be removed, so the tool will be set to 3mm to compensate for the footpad cover thickness. The lock nut is then tightened to lock the blades at the required height. Now simply hold the tool so it is at 90 degrees to the benchtop. Move the tool across the wall, applying slight pressure against the blade to commence marking. Continue this process until you are happy you can see the scribed line. Now use an electric planer and trim off the excess benchtop to the scribed line, ensuring you don't go past the line.
Here's a saw that has speed as its middle name. The Versacut by Rockwell lets you change blades one-handed.
I like the interchangeable blades the most. I like that I can take and cut any type of material and just change out the saw blade in a matter of seconds.
That means you can rip through different materials lickety-split. Its 4 amps are powerful, with a speed of 3,500 RPMs, but it doesn't weigh a lot, making it the one to reach for when you are on the move.
The Versacut is much more lightweight than the circular saw. It weighs about 4 pounds, so it's a lot easier to maneuver around the house.
The base plate provides a clear view of where the blade enters the work, making tricky cuts much easier to see. Changing the depth of a cut is right on the side. For around $130, the saw includes 3 blades, a vacuum adapter, and a storage bag. And precision.
I like the laser beam. I like the fact that if you draw a line and it's not very clear, you have the laser beam there to back you up. It makes a nice, smooth cut.
Versacut's laser guide helps you get the right cut every time.
Yeah. Remember when power tools were actually powerful? Since 1951, Wen has equipped woodworkers with reliable tools at an affordable price. Now with our 8-inch drill press, you'll get top-of-the-line drilling power without compromising performance or price. Adjust to 5 different speeds between 620 and 3100 RPM to perfectly complement your workpiece. Watch as this Wen drill press glides through wood like a soldering iron through butter. That is beautiful. This package includes an adjustable work table that changes both angles and height. Attack wood, plastic, and metal with ease. Watch as we effortlessly drill into an inch of pure cast iron. The Wen 8-inch drill press. Remember when power tools were actually powerful? Remember when.